RMX waved and came back from the desert looking tragic. Sand all up in the dust, thick like static. Some big face plate knobs grinding like stone. FX engine wheezing like it's gonna get thrown. And Scott David stepping, player priest technician. Open heart surgery with a razor sharp vision. He brush off the grit, resurrect every tone. Circuits glowing gold like a shrine on a throne. From desert dead to divine, from crust to perfection. Repair DJ gear, the resurrection connection.